How to switch Clash Royale accounts. If you want to switch between multiple Clash Royale accounts, here is a quick and easy way to do it. Open your Clash Royale application. Tap onto the three horizontal line from the top right corner. From the pop-up, select Supercell ID. From this screen, you have to tap on to the gear icon. At this interface, you have to tap on Logout to sign out from your current account. After that, you have to tap on Login with Supercell ID and enter the email linked to your other Clash Royale account. If you are using Google Play or Apple ID, select the correct account for the login option. Once logged in, Clash Royale will reload with your selected account. Repeat this step whenever you want to switch between accounts. And that's it. Now you can switch Clash Royale accounts easily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.